Streaming giants, fan favorites, but only one can claim the crown. Which platform truly delivers? On one side, Max, home of cinematic originals and mature hits. On the other, Disney Plus, packed with family-friendly blockbusters and beloved classics. Let's cut past the marketing and see what really matters. Each round racks up points, and by the end, you'll know who comes out on top. The answer might just surprise you. So here's how we're going to break this down. We'll pit Max against Disney Plus across a bunch of categories, like price, content library, originals, streaming quality, family experience, global availability, bundles, and device support. Yep, I've got a mind map laid out right here. Think of it like your cheat sheet for streamers in 2025. Okay, first up, let's talk about price, because nobody likes wasting money, right? Max comes at you with flexible plans from ad-supported up to 4K ad-free, and in some cases you can even snag it free in select bundles. But honestly, the premium tier is kinda pricey. We're talking $20.99 a month if you want all the bells and whistles. Now, Disney Plus? It's solid, really competitive on price, especially if you're bundling with Hulu or ESPN. You get more value for a smaller bill. But heads up, the ad-free tier does keep creeping up every year, and sometimes those bundles force you to juggle apps. Still, if we're talking pure wallet impact, Disney Plus pulls ahead here. Let's move on to content library, and oh boy, this is where things get spicy. Max is stacked. Like, you want acclaimed originals? Boom. HBO and Warner Brothers galore. You want variety? There's family stuff, drama, adult titles, latest blockbusters, and iconic classics all in one place. Only thing is, it's not super focused on little kids or family audiences. Now, Disney Plus? Pure nostalgia fest. Disney, Marvel, Pixar, Star Wars. Seriously, there are exclusives everywhere. This is the place for families and anyone chasing those childhood feels. The only real downside? There's not much mature or R-rated stuff, so it's a little PG. But if you want massive range and heavy-hitting originals, Max takes this round. Here's where it gets interesting. Originals. So Max is kind of the king here. We've got award winners, Succession, House of the Dragon, you name it. And there's always something new dropping. Disney Plus, you can't ignore those Marvel and Star Wars originals. They look gorgeous, production is slick, big IPs, so that's great. But they don't pump out new titles as often, and it's usually the same vibe genre-wise. For sheer number and variety, Max totally comes out on top. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Disney Plus streamed over 150 million hours of Marvel content in 2025? That's like wild. People really love their superheroes. Streaming quality. Honestly, this is what matters when you've splurged on that 4K TV, am I right? Max leads with 4K HDR and Dolby Atmos, but, and this is a big but, these features are locked behind the $20.99 Ultimate plan. Disney Plus gives everyone 4K HDR, no matter your plan, and the app runs smoothly. Only bummer? You need the ad-free plan for Dolby Atmos, so it's not totally perfect. But still, Max has the edge for the top-tier experience, if you're willing to pay for it. Family experience time. Okay, Max isn't bad. It has some family and kids stuff, but honestly, it shines way more for mature audiences. Parental controls are, not super robust. Disney Plus, on the other hand, it's the gold standard for family fun. Iconic kids movies, super easy parental controls. Honestly, even grandma can figure it out. If you want to sit down with your littles and not worry about the remote, Disney Plus is unbeatable here. Let's talk about availability and expansion real quick. Max is expanding into Europe and Australia in 2025, so that's cool. But globally, Disney Plus is pretty much everywhere already. Over 100 countries and simultaneous releases, so you're not left waiting ages for new episodes. Only quirk is, sometimes there's a hiccup with regional content. But let's be real, most people won't notice. Disney Plus takes it easily. Bundling. All right, this is where things get kind of fun and complicated. Max has some crossover. You can bundle it with Disney Plus and Hulu through DirecTV's My Entertainment plan, and it actually saves up to 46%. Not bad. But no ESPN Plus in the mix just yet. Disney Plus? You can bundle it with Hulu and ESPN Plus, sometimes all in one app, which is sweet for sports fans, or if you just want to keep things simple. Occasionally, there's device restrictions, but Disney Plus makes it way easier to save money and keep your watch list loaded. Last category, device support and simultaneous streams, aka how much chaos can your household create at once? Both apps are pretty solid here. Max lets you stream on multiple devices, performance is good, and the app's everywhere. Disney Plus matches with up to 4 simultaneous streams and crazy wide device support. Honestly, if you're going by pure specs, it's a tie, so no drama. Let's take a look at how these two stack up with all the scores. Visualized on a radar chart, you'll see Disney Plus taking over family, bundles, and global reach, while Max dominates in content, originals, and, if you drop the cash, streaming quality. Some categories, like device support, end in a dead heat. Here's my quick take. If you're chasing prestige TV, award-winning originals, and don't mind spending a little extra, Max is absolutely the move. But if your home's full of kids, Disney classics, and Marvel fans, Disney Plus is still the ultimate family package. So, pick your vibe and start your next binge. All right, found your next binge yet? Go ahead and hit that subscribe. Your watch list is about to get way more interesting.